What if you could make that one person you are thinking about right now suddenly feel drawn to you so strongly that they text you, call you, or slide into your DMs out of nowhere? Sounds impossible, right? But before you doubt this process, give yourself permission to fully step into it. Because sometimes the biggest shifts happen when you stop chasing and start aligning. Before we begin, comment below with one thing that reminds you of them: a song, a place, a scent, maybe something they left behind. There is power in bringing that energy into the open. Now let's begin. Find a quiet space where you won't be interrupted. Your bedroom, your car, a cozy corner, anywhere you can fully relax for the next few minutes. This is your moment. Now take a deep breath in through your nose, hold it gently, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Again, inhale, hold, exhale. One more time. Feel your shoulders soften. Feel your mind becoming still. Now think about the person on your heart, the one you can't stop thinking about. Maybe it's someone you miss deeply, someone you feel disconnected from, someone you wish will finally reach out. Bring them fully into your awareness. Now imagine holding something that reminds you of them. Maybe it's a hoodie they left behind, a photo, a gift, a random object connected to a memory. Feel it in your hands. This is your connection piece. Now imagine a place that feels familiar and comforting. Maybe it's a diner you both loved, a park bench under the stars, your living room, anywhere your energy together feels alive. See every detail, the colors, the sounds, the atmosphere. Now imagine them there. They look calm, relaxed, happy. They're glowing with warmth and openness. Notice their smile, their eyes, the little details that make them uniquely them. Now imagine yourself walking toward them slowly. With every step, you feel more grounded, more magnetic, more powerful. Now sit beside them. Feel their presence. Notice the warmth between you. Now imagine a glowing thread of light connecting your heart to theirs. A beautiful, energetic cord pulsing with love, attraction, and connection. This bond is alive. And now silently or out loud, begin repeating, "You miss me. You are thinking about me. You feel drawn to me. You want to reach out. You can't stop thinking about me. You are coming toward me now." Now picture them reaching for their phone. See their fingers hovering over your name. Watch them type, "Hey, I was just thinking about you." Feel the shift. They feel your presence. They feel your confidence. They feel your absence. And suddenly, they can't ignore the connection anymore. Stay in this moment. Breathe deeply. Now imagine wrapping them in warmth and loving energy. Not from desperation, not from fear, but from certainty. You are no longer chasing. You are attracting. You are magnetic. Now repeat again. You miss me. You want me. You are reaching out now. Feel those words becoming real. Feel them settling into your subconscious mind. Feel the connection strengthening. Now take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Again, inhale confidence. Exhale doubt. One last deep breath. Now slowly open your eyes. Feel the energy you just created. Feel the certainty. For best results, listen to this meditation for 21 days consistently, morning or night, no skipping. Each time you listen, you strengthen the energetic connection, your self-concept, and your ability to attract effortlessly. And remember, the only thing that blocks manifestation is doubt. So release the fear, release the need to control, and believe it is already done. Because the version of you who is deeply loved, pursued, chosen, and unforgettable already exists. Now go forth, be magnetic, and stay in the joy.